Well, now that I've had this procedure, my life has been so improved, and I'm just so delighted that I don't have to wear glasses anymore. I don't have to look for them every day, but it's the quality of my sight and the freedom that not having to wear lenses anymore.
I have worn contacts since I was 12 years old. And so to not go in at night and put away my contacts or come out in the morning and put in the contacts, it's been phenomenal.
If you're looking at cataract surgery, it will change your life. And the techniques and the quality of the people here are such that you don't have to worry.
We know a lot of people, because of the age group that we are in, that wait. It's like, when you can see like this, why would I want to wait?
We would recommend the Eye Institute of Utah to anyone who has any kind of eye issues or problems, but especially with cataracts. They are exceptional in the quality that they provide, the care that they provide, and the follow-up, which is likewise exceptional. That there isn't anyone that we wouldn't not recommend to come here, and we have brought our family in as well.